This is a video tour of stateroom 1854. This is on the Dolphin deck on the MS Rotterdam. Set up for a two-person configuration. Currently sailing between Florida and Cuba. One of our towel animals from our steward. Nice setup with a 3 to 4 person couch that you can sit on. Full desk TV. 3 storage cabinets. Lots of room for luggage bags and other items. Just the little hallway to the front door. This is the washroom with a tub and shower. Lots of space, lots of room for 2 people. MS Rotterdam, Dolphin deck, room 1854. Hope to see you on board. Thanks for watching.